On December 26th, we set out to find the true heart of the Sonoran Desert under a perfect canvas of Arizona blue and shifting clouds. We arrived at Don Donnelly's D Spur Ranch and riding stable. It was time to saddle up. The ranch has a reputation for authentic horsemanship, and we felt that history as we prepped our horses for the journey ahead. As we moved out, the rugged mesas and the Superstition Mountains loomed in the distance. This range is steeped in legend, rumored to hide the lost gold of the Dutchman's mine. But our goal today was simply to soak in the silence of the high desert. The Sonoran Desert is one of the most biologically diverse deserts in the world, and riding through it at a walking pace is the only way to truly see it. We moved through the dense groves of Saguaro cactuses, the icons of the West. These giants can live for over 150 years and grow up to 50 feet tall, standing like silent sentinels over the valley. Along the path, we navigated through jumping cholla and prickly pear, the horses sure-footed on the dusty, winding trails. For 2 hours, the only sounds were the rhythmic creak of leather and the steady strike of hooves against the desert floor. Compared to other outfits in the area, D Spur offered an incredible value, providing a long, immersive experience without the assembly line feel of larger stables. Our group was small, allowing us to soak in the solitude of the high desert. We felt less like tourists and more like a small scouting party navigating the foothills of the high desert. No salad. Makes you want to get a horse, don't it? As the sun began to dip lower, the colors of the Superstition Mountains shifted into deep oranges and purples. The mood changed as we started our trek back toward the ranch. There's a specific kind of peace that only comes from being on horseback in a landscape this vast. The desert isn't just a place. It's a feeling of resilience and timelessness. We finished our ride with a new appreciation for the Arizona wilderness. If you are ever near the Superstitions, skip the crowds, find the D Spur and take the long way home.